Okay, I've got a simple video today. I'm just going to change the headlights on this 95 Honda Civic. Access is pretty simple. It's pretty open. This tube, I'm not sure exactly what it is for, but it just pulls up and gives you access here to the passenger side. And so it's just a squeeze. To get that out, you squeeze the two sides, the connector on the back of the bulb, squeeze the two sides, and the whole thing, squeeze it, sorry. Let's see what kind of connector that is. Squeeze on the sides, you want to squeeze kind of up towards the front. And then there's a shroud, rubber shroud, protecting it. And this guy, I think you just push it in and kind of fold it up, and this whole assembly pops out. And here we got our bulb. That's really hot. And just make sure not to touch the bulbs either. So we get a little space over here. I'm going to do the power steering pump. This just pulls up. There's a little catch here, slide for it, and it just sits and rests in there. And I'm just lift that and kind of hang it up over here to give myself a little bit of space. And then I'm using my right hand to get in there, and same thing, pinch right towards the front and pull, disconnect that connector, pop the shroud off, and then there's that little metal clip, put that little tab down, boop, push the tab down, and it lifts up, pops out of the way, and this guy is free. Alright, so now I'm just going to get a new pair of gloves and install my new bulbs. Okay, so you're aware this does have an orientation that goes in, and there's the little tangs at the bottom. So that's how it goes in. There's three little tabs. Sits in there like that. So that these connectors, there's the tab at the top, the center tab at the top. So gonna grab new bulb, tab at the top, come in here, not touch it to anything, and it lines up. Stick it in there, and then I flip this little latch over and hook it. There we go. Okay, a little shroud goes on. Essentially doing the opposite of what I did before, so probably don't need the rest of this video, but if you want to watch, here I'll have it. Okay. Alright, one side's done. Let's grab the other one. Orient, so tabs on the top. Okay, locked it in. My little shroud, where'd my shroud go? Seal it up, and then reconnect. Push this down again. Reinstall this guy. And power steering. And that is it. There you are. Hope this was helpful. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Have a good one, guys.